Hey, Kirk Williamson with KPN Photo Tours. Today we're headed over to Manchester to Tux Point. We're going to be taking some photographs with the 55-200 on the X-H1 by Fuji. So we're hoping we're going to get some great results, and I'm sure we will. So, talk to you on the flip side. Okay, so we're over here in Manchester by the Sea. It's a great location for still photography, and got some great opportunities to use the X-H1 here in the 55-200. The 55-200 really is a mid-range zoom lens, and in 35mm terms, it goes all the way up to 300. So it's wonderful for shooting boats like I have here and, seaside stuff when you need a little bit of reach. But the best thing about this combination really is the OIS and the IBIS working together. And for still shooting, I've got this set on single, and then I'll shoot a little bit of video with it, and you'll see how smooth it is handheld in continuous. So I have to switch back and forth. The XD4 allows you to have these settings set for video and for stills, which is much better. But boy, you can get this X-H1 and this 55-200 here for a really pretty decent money. I'd say for probably somewhere around $1,300-1,400 for the whole kit here is pretty amazing. And even though this camera, the X-H1, has older technology, the results are absolutely beautiful. A friend of mine did some documentary work with it the other day, and he came back and said, boy, it's great. It really works the nuts. So I'm going to take some shots here, and I'm going to go over the images and see how they look with this camera and lens setup. And I think you'll like what you see. Well, some pretty impressive results so far. You could go with a 3-lens setup with a 10-24, 16-80, and a 55-200, and buy all of it used and really get it for a very decent price. I might even pop up an estimate right here on the screen so you get an idea. But back to this. I'm going to take some more shots here around Manchester Harbor. We're over by the yacht club here in Manchester, and there's a lot of sailboats, and which are my favorite, of course. A lot less motorboats in this particular area. There's more down in the other half of the harbor. But it's a beautiful location. So I just got a great shot of some cormorants sitting over here on a Boston whaler. And I'll tell you, the great thing is about it, shot some in still and in video, and switched off the IS to single shot into continuous. Both look pretty amazing though, nice and sharp. Well, that's it from over here at Manchester by the Sea Harbor. It's great. Got some great stuff with the X-H1 with the battery grip and the 55-200. And I think you'll like what we've got. Got some interesting photographs. I got some good video to go with it. And really, you know, the combination of these two really is outstanding. I can't say anything better about it. Great kit, and I think that you'll enjoy it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up and a comment. That would be awesome. And check out more of my videos. And go to Cape Ann Photo Tours and see what I got going on over there. And that's it for this week, and we'll catch you next time.